Hello and welcome to Pennies-AI, your personal financial assistant. Pennies-AI is a financial tracking software that helps you see your entire financial picture, where you are today and where you're going tomorrow. And hopefully maximize where you're going tomorrow. There's a 30-day free trial. After that, sign up is a very low cost, and sign up gets you all of the features that the app has to offer. There's no tiered subscriptions. It's just one subscription. You get everything when your subscription ends. You still have read-only access. You can still download your data. You just can't change any data or add data. So let's get a subscription going and see where we go. So the AI part of Pennies-AI is that we do receipt scanning into transactions with automatically splitting out each item into its own line where you can assign categories, which really helps with things like searching. We have simple backup and restore of your data in a completely plain JSON format that you can use to import into whatever you want. So no strings attached there. You can share accounts in a fine-grained way, so you can say read-only all the way up to full control for each account, for each share you do. So you can share the same account multiple times with different sharing to different people. There's completely configurable categories. It does come with a built-in set. You can add to it, change it, rename it, delete it, whatever you want. There's scheduled or future or recurring, or however you want to say it, transactions that repeat over time. And it's very flexible to set those up, and it supports things like paychecks, mortgage payments, all kinds of different types of transactions. Search is one of my favorite features. You get instant results, less than a second in most cases, and I have over 70,000 transactions in my account. Very powerful search tool. And you can export those results in a PDF format. There's a dashboard that has graphs, charts, with instant answers across any time frame that you want. You can import from Quicken, from bank accounts, any CSV file that you use the headers that we recognize. You can import those files. So no manual transactions there. We support multiple themes, so if you like dark, you can use dark theme. You can use light theme, like you're seeing here on this iOS simulator. When you pay yearly, $29.99, no matter what platform you're on. Pay monthly, it's $2.99, no matter what platform you're on. That covers everything we need, and we don't plan to ever raise it. There's never going to be any ads. We don't like ads, so hopefully you don't either. As I said, saving data after the trial period requires a subscription. We have what you're viewing now, a full set of video tutorials on YouTube. We have a Facebook page. You can contact us there. You can see we have our terms of use on our company page and our privacy policy. So welcome to Pennies-AI, and we'll get down to showing you what all of the different screens are, how they're used, and how to get the most out of them in the next videos that are coming up. Thanks.